Do you think your phone's vibration isn't working properly? Your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra include a built-in diagnostic tool that lets you test both call and notification vibration. Let me show you how. First, open Setting, scroll down and tap Device Care. Scroll down the screen. Under the Additional Care section, tap Diagnostic. Next, tap Phone Diagnostic. Here, find and tap the vibration icon. If this is your first time running the test, your phone will start the test automatically. If you have tested it before, you will see the previous result instead. Simply tap Test Again to run a new test. The first test checks your call vibration. Tap Vibrate. Your phone will vibrate. When the test finishes, you will be asked whether the vibration worked normally. Tap Yes if everything feels normal. Next, your phone will test the notification vibration. Tap Vibrate again. After the vibration finishes, tap Yes if it works normally. If both tests pass, the result will show normal. Here, you will also see the status for both call vibration and notification vibration individually. However, if a problem is detected, tap Request a Repair button and follow the on-screen instruction. And that's how to test your phone's vibration on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.